In the dense streets of Shibuya, privacy is never easy, yet this house finds a quiet way to create it. From the street, Esprit looks calm and almost closed. A solid concrete volume protects the home from the city. Below it, the ground floor opens into a sheltered garage. Beside the garage, a dark entrance leads inside. Large planters soften the threshold with olive trees and herbs. The first impression feels strong and private, but the house changes as it rises. Above the concrete volume, a transparent glass layer appears. It reflects the sky and nearby buildings. It also reveals soft traces of greenery within. The glass brings daylight into the home. At the same time, it helps protect family privacy. Esprit was designed by Apollo Architects and Associates. The house was completed in Shibuya, Tokyo, in 2022. Its total floor area is just over 230 square meters. The spaces are arranged vertically across several levels. The ground floor contains the garage and a private training room. The second floor holds bedrooms, bathrooms, and a family library. The main social spaces are placed on the third floor. Here, the house becomes brighter and more open. The living room, dining area, and kitchen form one long space. Warm timber ceilings run above the interior. Dark cabinetry lines the walls with a quiet rhythm. A long marble table anchors the dining area. Full-height glass connects the rooms to planted outdoor spaces. This connection makes the interior feel larger and calmer. It also brings the changing city light inside. A sculptural open staircase links the different levels. Its dark wooden treads appear to float beside a charcoal wall. Glass panels keep the staircase visually light. The family library sits close to this circulation space. It becomes a shared place for reading, work, and conversation. The most unexpected space is found at the top. The rooftop becomes a private garden above the city. A black pergola filters sunlight across the wooden deck. Its shadows move slowly throughout the day. Olive trees and dense planting surround the seating area. There is space for dining, relaxing, and cooking outdoors. The city remains visible through small openings in the greenery, but the garden still feels protected and peaceful. This rooftop is more than an extra terrace. It becomes the emotional center of the house. It gives the family light, air, and a connection to nature. Esprit shows how an urban home can feel private and open. It proves that concrete walls do not have to feel cold. With careful planning, light and greenery can reach every level. High above Tokyo, a hidden garden waits in the sky.